Hi guys, welcome to the new episode of our tech tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how to use more than one social media account on a single mobile phone. Yes, this is possible. You can operate separate accounts at the same time and on a single phone. Such accounts include WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, and any other mobile app that you operate on your phone. You can open more than one account at the same time and on a single mobile phone. All you need to do, just open your Google Play Store. Then head over to the search bar. Tap on this search bar icon. Then come to this search bar and search for multiple space. Then install this space multiple account dual space. Once you install the application, tap on open to launch the app. Then give the app the necessary permission. Tap and agree on and continue. Tap allow. Here, this is the app dashboard. You can add as many mobile apps as you can. For example, if you want to add your Telegram account, just tap this plus sign. Then select the Telegram. Wait for a moment for it to finish processing. Now you open the second Telegram. Firstly, you have your Telegram installed on your phone. Then this will be the second Telegram that you open using this multiple account app. Now you can create another Telegram account using this multiple space, and your test account is still there. Just tap on this. Now tap allow Telegram to receive calls so you can automatically confirm your phone number. Tap allow. Then select your country. Then type your mobile number. Tap on this arrow icon. Confirm the phone number. If it is correct, then tap yes. Then tap continue. Now they have sent the OTP to your test Telegram account. You have to go to your Telegram account that you have with this phone number and copy the OTP, then paste it here. Let me open the Telegram. You can see this is the message that they have just sent to me. The message includes the OTP code, login code, that is it. You see the code is correct. Because I have two-step verification enabled on the test account, I have to enter my password to continue. I have successfully opened the second Telegram with the same phone number, and I can use both the Telegram. That is the case for WhatsApp and any other app. You can use multiple space and add any other app. This is the Telegram that I have just added. I can add many other Telegram apps. Just tap this plus sign and come to this place. If you want to have many accounts, one of the mobile app that you have, just select it and it will open. All the apps that we have added will be displayed here. That is all. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video for others to benefit.